What's up everybody, Dragonrider here. It is Sunday. I'm actually off to put petrol in my bike because tomorrow is my first day at work. Yay! So I cannot wait. Cannot wait to start work. I'm gonna be a working man. So excited. So I'm just going to the cash point first to get some money, and also after when I finish going to the petrol station, I need to go home and change the oil in my bike because it's almost reached another 2,000 miles. It's almost reached 12,000 miles. So tomorrow I will be doing a video, but problem is that I have to wait till it gets morning because I start work at 3 AM in the morning. Yes, that's right, 3 AM in the morning. And I am not happy about it, but I actually hope that my body is coping with it anyway. So I'm gonna have to go to bed early, try to get myself enough sleep as I can, because the one thing I don't want to do is be really tired and sleepy when I'm working. And I finish work as well at 9 o'clock in the morning, so I'm literally doing 6 hours of work. 6 hours. I actually prefer a job to be 6 till 2 or 6 in the morning and finish at 4. I mean, I don't mind that sort of job, but when I got the phone call about a different job, and I just went, I take it. I'll take it. And also I can get there. It will be freaking smashing for me. So yes, I really cannot wait. But I'm not gonna ride to work and do a motor vlog because it's a nighttime vlog. You guys can't really see anything. So, and it will just be a really bad quality if I just do it at nighttime. If the road was lit, then you know I would have done a nighttime vlog, but no, I decided to do it when it's 9 o'clock because at least it's sunshine. You know how tempting I want to get McDonald's right now, but I'm not keen on McDonald's. That's the only problem. But McDonald's breakfast I don't mind having. But right, now that I am done, I can actually go home and change my oil because it needs doing. So guys, I'll speak to you tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how the job was on the first day of my job. Well guys, I'm actually heading to work. My first day of work. As you guys want to know what time it is actually 1:48 in the morning, and I need to get there at 3 o'clock. Well, make sure that I'll be there to start work at 3. But I'm going to get to work at 2:28 AM. So the job is from 3 till 9. We're working 6 hours. So yeah, this is going to be an awesome time, and I just hope that it's not one of those people who just have a stick up their arse. But anyway, I'll talk to you in a bit when it's sunlight. Well guys, my first day of work. What do I think of it? Good, but my freaking feet is killing me. Doing 6 hours work straight with no breaks. Literally didn't get no breaks, and my feet it's just freaking killing me. I think I've got blisters, and the only thing my mind is just saying right now is please be freaking 8 something, because I couldn't freaking believe it that my feet is just killing me. If you guys are going to ask me what job I'm doing, I'm not going to tell you because I want to keep my job a secret. because I don't want anybody to know what job I'm actually doing. I do apologise if anybody wants to know. So yeah, besides from that, yeah, everything's good. My back is hurting a bit because all the heavy lifting and all that stuff, unloading some stuff and wrapping some stuff. But I prefer to work in Doncaster. I do apologise if you can't hear me properly because of the wind. But yeah, oh gosh. I mean, the guy asked me, will you be interested to work here again? I said, yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind working here again. But then he said that, okay, that's good, but I'll send you a message. He'll send me a text message when he wants me back. Well, he may not. He may not message me back. But I will find out. He'll message me back today to let me know that he do want me to come back to work. And I'm actually happy as well that I'm actually working. Really happy, because literally my feet right now is screaming in agony. So I need to rest. I need to fucking rest. And it's just, oh, I want to put my feet in cold water. But I literally guarantee that if I do put my feet in cold water, I bet it's going to get freaking warm. Get really warm. And also as well, I wasn't really happy riding in the night. Well, in the morning where it's dark. Really not happy at all. Because I have killed something on my way here. Well, if you all know what I have killed, I killed a rabbit. I killed a rabbit. It ran. It was in the middle of the road, and I tried to swerve out of the way, and I just hit it. I just freaking hit it. Then my mind says, if you swerve, chances you're going to lose your balance, you're going to come off your bike. So yeah, I had a choice of one, hit it straight on, or two, try to swerve it without coming off. And to tell you the truth, it was just horrible. Really horrible. I just killed a rabbit. What the innocent rabbit. I couldn't say stupid rabbit because it's on the freaking road. And I knew this day will come that I would run over a rabbit. I know it would happen. And got killed. I don't know if it's on this road. If it's alive, if I don't see the dead body, that means he's alive. Or he's injured and he died somewhere. I do not know. I'd rather injure it than kill it. Yeah, when I accidentally run over the rabbit, I swear it actually shit itself. Literally, I swear the rabbit shit himself when I accidentally went over him or her, because I have shit all over my freaking adventure boots and the side of my bike. It's not here, it's not on the road. It's not on the road, so it's alive! It's alive! The freaking rabbit is alive! Oh, thank goodness! It's alive! Oh my gosh, it's alive! Oh, praise God, it's alive! Oh my God, what are you doing? What are you doing? Jesus Christ, do you have to be any slower? As I was saying, praise God that the rabbit is still alive. Well, I actually don't know if it's still alive because it could be in a ditch somewhere dead. It could be in a ditch somewhere dead. So actually I can't really tell if it's alive or not. I just hope it is. I actually hope it is. Just fingers crossed it's still alive, breathing. But here's a video of me hitting the rabbit. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, no! Oh my gosh, I just killed the rabbit! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yeah, I just couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it that I did hit the rabbit. But can't really say no more about it, really. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video right here because I don't want to talk about the rabbit incident. Yes, I had a good time working. I'm really happy that I'm back at work, and I really cannot wait to get paid. Once I get paid, I can literally can get myself some new gear. Gosh, why did I come this way? Even though it says on my sat nav, oh, it's a similar route. I should have known because I used to come this way when I had to go to work to freaking DHL. Oh, I hate that company, I really do. Hate is such a strong word. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. To any new subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Even though I supposed to say, you know, welcome to my channel, but I didn't bother saying welcome. But, well, you got it now. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and also share my content. And I'll speak to you all soon. Later!
You've been acting like a stranger. Said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep